Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix audio crackling or popping sounds in Windows PC or laptop. First method is update audio driver. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Right-click Output Device, Properties. Turn off Spatial Sound. Third method is Uninstall audio driver. Fourth method is Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Change to 100%. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.